Hey guys, it's Natalie Skabinski. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to give you a quick tip on how to make sure that your virtual classroom is bigger up here on the top. I always make my virtual classroom in a Google slideshow, and then I copy and paste into a drawing, and I embed that drawing as my update. But it's always about half this size. I wanted it to be bigger, so let me show you how to do that. So let's pretend that it's small right now. I'm going to go over to updates. Okay, so I had already embedded it. It would be down here on the bottom. So I'm going to go over to my gear. I'm going to click down and click edit. And then I'm going to put my cursor on the picture and I'm going to right click and go down to inspect. What that means is we're inspecting the HTML code that's attached to this image. Okay. Now this whole gibberish comes up over here if you don't know HTML. I don't really, except for this little trick. So all of this comes up. What you want is the iframe. Just click on that and it's going to open up this right here. This is the whole picture. You want to change the width. I just click on that. I double click it. You want to change it to 900 and then press enter. Change your height to 400, press enter, and change your frame border to -1 and press enter. Then you can check out of here, save your changes, and now you're going to have a much larger banner that kind of takes over the whole top here. I hope that helped you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Have a great year, guys.